Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you the best free alternatives of paid softwares and applications. For this, first you have to open website alternative2.net. Here you will get hundreds of free alternatives for popular paid softwares or websites. Let's check about Premiere Pro. Now click on Free. These are all free alternatives for this. This is best one. And you can download from their website. Let's check about another one. Check about Netflix. Now click on Free. And these are all the free softwares to watch free Netflix shows.